Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. If you are using Vivo's phone which was launched in or after 2020, then you must know all these useful features. So let's start the video. First feature is about home screen layout. To experience different amazing layouts, search dynamic effects, then open unlock an entire home screen. Here you can change your home screen layout. In the same tab there is another tip which is about face unlock. Open facial animations and you can see there are different animations for unlocking your phone by Face ID. These animations looks really cool. The third one is charging animation. Open charging animation tab in settings and change any of the following animations. Now moving towards the next feature, this one is about global search. To enable global search, go to your settings and search for global search and choose Google as a search engine. Now when you search anything on the app search bar, it will directly search the results from the Google. The next step is very useful if you want to save your charging for a long time. Simply go to your settings and search simple mode. Tap on simple mode and now you can see your simple mode is activated. In this mode only some useful apps are accessible now. To quit simple mode, go to settings and tap on exit simple mode. The next feature is changing of icons, style and size. Tap and hold the empty space on your home screen, then open home screen settings. Here in icon style, you can change the style of the icons to round or square, and also you can change the size of the icons. Navigation gestures or keys are used to go back to open recent tabs and exit applications. To change navigation gestures, simply search navigation in settings and open it. Here you can choose the style of navigation keys and also choose navigation gestures options if you want to experience some iPhone-like gestures. This next feature is very useful and I also use it regularly. Go to settings, then open sounds and vibrations. Scroll down a little and here tap on ear customized sound, and now you can change ear sound according to your age, under 30, under 60, whatever your age is. When you try to connect your smartphone with your laptop, mobile wants permission first, so before connecting your mobile you must switch on this option. Open settings and search for OTG and enable this option. So that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.